Go very fast, okay? Time is running out, so get ready and off we go. Faster, faster, faster. Keep on coming, faster coming. You're too slow. Okay, let's go back. Put it on set. Keep on coming, put it on set. What's he doing? What are you doing, Tommy? Get back on the car, we're not finished yet. You filled it up. No fuel! Tommy forgot to fill it up anyway. No, you can't push it, you need to fill it up. Can you fill it up? Okay, just follow me quick. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Ooh. Quick, Tommy, we're running out of time. 1, 2, one more time. Thank you. One more time. Thank you very much. Now push the back. Drop it, Tommy. Off you go. There you go. Okay. Thank you, Tom. Thank you very much. And back on the car. A little bit more, Tommy. Thank you. And with that, we will come to the end of our show.